When it comes to fast and easy digital payments, Venmo is a favorite for millions. But can you use Venmo money transfer to India too? Let's find out the easiest method for international transfers, account setup, fees, tracking, and special offers. First, creating a Venmo account is super simple. Download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play, sign up with your phone number or email, and link a US bank account or card. Once your identity is verified, your Venmo is ready to go. Now, how to make Venmo international money transfer in India? Technically, Venmo is officially designed for domestic US transactions. However, you can transfer money to your own US account and use services like Wise, Wise.com, or Zoom, Zoom.com, to move it to India. For direct international transfers via Venmo, you would still need a US-based receiver. Sending or receiving money is incredibly easy. Open Venmo, click Pay or Request, select your contact, type the amount, and hit Send. For receiving money, just share your Venmo username or scan the QR code provided inside the app. When it comes to rates and fees, sending money via a linked bank account is free. Credit card payments, however, attract a 3% fee. Instant bank transfers cost about 1.75%, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. International transfers via third-party apps like Wise charge competitive conversion fees. Tracking your payment? Tap on the Transactions tab in Venmo to see your payment history. If you're transferring internationally using another service, make sure you use their tracking tools too. Unfortunately, Venmo alone doesn't provide cross-border tracking, but combining apps gives full visibility. Want extra savings? Apply a Venmo coupon code during your first sign-up. Use code WELCOME10 to get up to $10 cashback on your first transaction. Check apps like RetailMeNot and Coupons.com regularly for fresh promo codes. Important points to note: Venmo itself doesn't yet directly support India-based accounts. Always double-check the receiver's details to avoid transaction failures. Transfer wisely using reputed international platforms for INR withdrawals. Keep Venmo updated to access new features like international compatibility when they roll out. Venmo, along with reliable third-party services, makes sending money to India more accessible than ever if you know the smart way to do it.